YouTube. So I got this Parker Quink Flow cartridge to work in the O-Pen 2 copper. I don't know if it's different than the normal version, but basically what you want to do is line up the bottoms and make your mark. I use this file cutter thing. Really cheap. You can pretty much use whatever. After you're done, you're going to want to sand it or file it off. Then kind of ream the inside out so you can get this thing in. That should just snap right in. Just like that. Might take a little of that pink stuff out, which holds the ink. But this looks pretty good. If I can get in there and show you with one hand, that'd be sweet. One thing you probably noticed is that this guy goes up a bit on the Parker. That's fine. All you gotta do is stretch the spring out a little bit, and it works just fine. I'll look at this guy. I'll show you it works. The focus on this thing is not working good. Boom. And there's the old olight. A little bit of work, and it's $8, but I did not want to wait the week for the Fisher and the other Schmidt to come in. So you don't even need the adapter with this guy, which is kind of cool. And it writes pretty damn good. The olight refill would constantly get stuck, and it's just so annoying. This thing is a huge improvement. I wish they would have put a good refill in this guy. But yeah, if you're a DIYer, look for this guy. Pretty much bring the pen in. It's going to have this same size shaft right here. That's for the spring. If you get anything else with a bigger shaft, the spring's gonna catch and it won't work. I just spent like a half hour at Office Depot trying them out. So if you want to DIY shit, it's gonna have to be metal shaft like that. So yeah, if you don't want to get the adapter, the AZ Printsmith adapter, just go to Office Depot, $8 for the Parker Quink Flow. It'll be easy to spot because it's gonna be exactly like that, just a little longer. It's going to have this, the retractable end tip on it. I don't know if you can see it too good. But yeah, that one probably would fit in there, but I just wanted to use the stock one. And it works really good. To get the tip off, pretty much just wanted to use a small pair of pliers. Pretty much anything will work. I got these 5-inch Cobras. Small pair of channel locks. Pretty much any pliers would work. But you want to make sure it has good grip. It's not on there too good. Pretty much comes right out, but it was a little hard to get out with my hands. So yeah, I hope this helps someone.